Hi, we're going to do an HCF LCM sum. The pre-assumed knowledge here is people should know how to do HCF and how to do LCM. HCF is when you do it separately, the factorization, and circle the common factors. LCM is you can factorize both the numbers together. Yes, there are many other methods of HCF and LCM, but this is the most commonly followed method. Yeah, so we go on to the sum. So think about the following scenario. Cicadas emerge from the ground every 13 years and a predator has a life cycle of 13 years. Yeah, but it is only large enough to kill it during its third year of life. So even though predator is in its first year, second year, but it is only at the time of the third year that it will actually kill it. Yeah, so a predator here, it's third year, then first year, second year, only on the third year it is going to kill the cicada. Then again, only on the sixth year it is going to kill it. That is what this means. I come back to the question. Cicadas are emerging every 13 years, and a predator has a life cycle 3 years, but it is only large enough to kill it during its third year of life. The predator is large enough to catch it now, and it will be next large enough to catch it in 39 years. Yeah. So if it is large enough to catch it now means 0, and then next it will be large enough to catch it in 39 years. Yeah. So yeah, 13, 26, 39, 42. Yeah. This is 3, 6. These are multiples. Correct? Now when is the life cycle of this and this matching? You see, what is the common number? So it is only at 39 years where this also is being born and this also is the catch. So it is only at 39 years that attack is happening. Okay. So it is only when that match happens, whereas this is every 13 years and this is every 13 years. This thing we can draw bumps, and this is every 3 years. So it is only at 39th year where this is happening. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next one. So the question A is, what are we talking about in this? So are we talking about HCF or LCM? Now, whenever we talk about birth, life cycles, rebirth, so we're talking multiples. So obviously we're not talking factors, right? So we're talking multiples. So multiples and the lowest common multiple. So that is LCM. Here, what are the multiples of 13? Yeah. And these are multiples of 3. So what is this? Cicada is a real life example of using LCM, correct? So LCM of 3 and 13 is 39 years. How many years after that it will be before the next predator will be large enough to kill the emerging? So next attack is going to happen after how many years? So they are saying first it's happening at 39 years, which is given in the question, which is the first LCM. Now when is the next attack going to happen? Okay, if the first batch is 39 years, then when is the next attack going to happen? This question pertains to when will the predator next catch or next attack after 39. पहले का भी नहीं चाहिए, बाद का चाहिए. In other words, when will the multiples of this cicada and the predator match after 39? Okay, clear? Wherever y'all want, y'all please pause the video and re-listen to it before you move ahead. Okay, you can go through the slide, the things that are written on the side. They are pretty self-explanatory. So the birth is again every 13 years. I have written for the predator birth, and the predator attack and the life cycle is again every 3 years. Now you see when are these two next matching? Yeah, so the next match is 78 years. But okay, you and me know that the next match is 78 years. But are they asking that the next match is after how many years after 39? So that 78th year comes how many years after 39? So you subtract, no? because abhi we are on 39th year. Now, how many years after 39? That is the question. Next. So you subtract it, and so again, the next attack will be after 39 more years. So the first attack is after 39 years as given to you in the question. The second attack is after 39 more years. Can anyone predict when will be the third attack? Another 39 years. So imagine this is such a thing that cicadas are managing to stay away from their predators just by having a 13-year life cycle. You know, their life cycles are always prime numbers. This is their natural adaptivity in real life. Yeah, it's a real life scenario. They have a prime number life cycle, so, and the predators are not able to catch them. Yeah. Now imagine now, this predator has a 4-year life cycle, okay? But it is only large enough to kill it during its 4th year. So there's a predator who's alive. I'm a predator, suppose say there's a predator in the 1st year, predator in the 2nd year, predator in the 3rd year. But every year this predator is not able to attack. So only in that 4th year it is able to attack. That is what they are saying. If this predator is large enough to attack, catch it now, when is it able to catch it next? Okay. So now let's come back. Again, cicada life cycle is 13 and all, multiples of 13. The predator now has a 4-year life cycle. Earlier, the predator had a 3-year life cycle. Now it has a 4. And the predator is ready for attack every 4th year only. To know when it will attack it next, we consider the common number in both the series, which is, yes, you're correct, 52. So another method is, which you guys must be knowing, that now we're doing the LCM. You guys can also do the LCM method, right? Let's see. Yeah, if we do this method, you guys are also going to get the LCM. Okay, try it. Please go through this video over again if you need to understand it properly. Do not simply, just use this. Understand it and then try to attempt it yourself. Do not simply copy the workings. Yeah, thank you.